Gala, so far so good. I put this trade out yesterday, well, a couple days ago actually, for the members. I put a trade alert video out for the members, level 3 members. If you got in Gala down here, if we zoom in here on a 15, this thing ended up bottoming out down here. All right, right down. I got in somewhere right down, I think right here, 33.85, somewhere around there. Okay, so far on a 10x on $1,000, I'm up almost $700. All right, 680 bucks. All right, expecting this to go a lot higher. All right, render is even looking better. We nailed render almost unbelievable. Actually, render. Look at this. Okay, right there's the arrow. If you go in on an hourly, we nailed render. This thing's looking great. And we're looking at big gains for these things. I got in right around 820, I think, something like that, somewhere right up around here, I guess. This thing's up 10%, so if you had 1,000 on it, you already made 1,000, and we're looking at this thing to go way up. All right, look at the weekly RSI. It's at the bottom. We're looking for it to head way up here. So on $1,000, believe it or not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, at all. Okay, if you had 1,000 on this on a 10x, you'd be looking at making 12 grand. So that's how much money you can make in these crazy things. On a 20x, you'd be looking at making about $24,000. So same thing with Gala over here. If we go out on a daily, all right, as long as this fake out follows through, which it looks like. Pretty much looks like it's doing. We've bounced here, made a nice bounce. We got the daily RSI right at the very bottom, the weekly right at the very bottom. And look at this, it's a wick down through here. Elliott wave theory is based on closing candles, not wicks. Okay, so this is playing out pretty decent. You got a 1, 2, 3. As long as this plays out right, 4. And this fifth wave up here, okay, fifth wave up would be, as long as this pulls back up through, all the RSIs are looking great. All right, a fifth wave on this, and you still have a chance to get in on this trade, if you're interested. But a fifth wave would put this up at right close to 12 cents. All right, from down here on $1,000. Wow. On a 10x, do the math. A 10x on that is what, 2,200%. $1,000, you'd be looking $23,000. Is that right? 23 grand. On a 20x, about $46,000. It's crazy the money you can make, and this is on a weekly. It take time to get up there, obviously. This weekly took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks to get up there. So to make $20,000 on $1,000. If this works out right, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. But if this plays out on $1,000, you're looking making $23,000. Crazy money. If you're a member, level 3 member, you got this and you're in. It's only $15, guys. You get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting. And get you on your way, and you get trade alerts and a link to the Discord membership. All right, so what we want to see here is this daily turn around and bust back up through basically 5 cents. Okay, a breakthrough 5 and we're looking good. Then the next section to worry about up here is right up here, and that's as long as we break through here and get up here. 618 and 702 right up here. This will tell everything right up here. If we get back up here, right in this zone, okay, but if we break, call it 7.2 or whatever, look out, okay, this thing's really going to start picking up steam, okay, then you're looking at it heading towards 12 cents. Now on the hourly, I'm sure it's probably pulling down. Yep, you're looking, you're starting a wave count in here. That's how these things work out, okay. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 4 pullback. Might pull back down. It's hard to say. And then a fifth wave up. All right, then an ABC, then another 5 waves up. Okay, it takes time to work these out. You have smaller waves inside of bigger waves. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, then all of this will just be a wave 1, 2. Okay, on the bigger moves, you'll have an ABC in here. 3, this will be 5 waves. 4, this will be 3 waves, and then you'll have 5 waves there. Okay, that's how this Elliott wave works out. Well, that's what we're hoping for. That's what we're looking for here at a Gala. Okay, on the weekly, like I said, we're reset. The 5-day right at the bottom looks great, and the 3-day. The 3-day is still correcting, almost there. It's still rolling over a little bit, but still correcting, okay? As long as we don't take this low out here, I think we're fine. 0.0335, all right? I do not want to see it lose that low. If we do, then something else is happening here. Make sure you put a stop loss in if you get in a trade. Please, not financial advice, just smart trading. You don't want to get liquidated. Put a stop loss in, and we lose it. Oh well, you know, we got the render over there, another big one we're looking at. That's just the way trading goes. But right here is where we're looking. That's where you want to enter trades. Okay, on support, on you know, or resistance. Look at it going down. You know, but we're right in a great area to get in and ride this thing up, man, for big gains. So keep your eye on Gala. Make sure put a stop loss in here. Don't want to see it lose this low down here at 0.0333, something like that, right around there. If we get exactly on here, let's zoom in a little bit and take a look. All right, I don't want to see it lose that low. I want to see it hold right there. Don't want to see it even really come back near it. 0.0335, call it. All right, definitely want to hold that. Let's get out of here and start towards the upside. Have a great day, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.